An arbor gate is more than just an entrance, it sets the tone for the entire garden. It creates a sense of charm, offering both beauty and functionality in any outdoor space. A wooden arbor gate is more than just an entrance, it's a welcoming feature that adds character, charm, and structure to any garden. Whether leading to a flower-filled oasis, a vegetable garden, or a secluded retreat, these gates serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. With their natural beauty and timeless appeal, they effortlessly blend into outdoor spaces, creating an inviting transition between different areas of the landscape. One of the biggest advantages of wooden arbor gates is their versatility. They can suit various styles, from rustic countryside aesthetics to sleek modern designs. A classic arched arbor gate with lattice sides offers an elegant and traditional look, while a minimalist slatted gate with clean lines provides a contemporary touch. No matter the design choice, a wooden arbor gate enhances the ambience of the garden while providing structure and support for climbing plants. Wood selection plays a crucial role in the longevity and appearance of an arbor gate. Cedar and redwood are popular choices due to their natural resistance to moisture, pests, and decay. These woods age beautifully over time, developing a silvery patina that enhances their rustic charm. For a more affordable option, pressure-treated wood provides durability, though it may require staining or sealing to maintain its aesthetic appeal. For a cozy and charming atmosphere, a barn-style wooden arbor gate with cross-bracing and thick beams can create a warm, countryside feel. Adding wrought iron accents such as decorative hinges, latches, or scrollwork enhances the gate's vintage appeal, while a weathered or distressed finish lends an old-world character. A picket-style arbor gate, on the other hand, evokes a quaint cottage aesthetic, perfect for gardens bursting with colorful blooms. If a modern look is preferred, a sleek, geometric wooden arbor gate with horizontal slats can offer a stylish, minimalist feel. Staining the wood in dark, earthy tones or bold colors can further elevate its contemporary appeal. For an added layer of sophistication, incorporating metal elements such as steel or aluminum framing can create a striking contrast against the natural wood grain. Another creative way to personalize a wooden arbor gate is through intricate carvings or cutout designs. Custom engravings, floral patterns, or monogrammed initials can add a distinctive touch, making the gate feel like a true reflection of personal style. Small windows or lattice inserts allow light and air to pass through, giving the gate a lighter, more open feel while maintaining a sense of enclosure. One of the most enchanting aspects of a wooden arbor gate is its ability to support climbing plants. Vines such as roses, wisteria, clematis, and ivy can be trained to weave through the arbor's frame, creating a lush, romantic passageway. As the seasons change, the interplay of greenery and blooms transforms the gate into a living work of art. For those who enjoy a whimsical, storybook-like aesthetic, allowing moss or ivy to grow naturally over the arbor gate can give it a beautifully aged, almost enchanted appearance. This organic approach blends seamlessly into the landscape, making the gate appear as though it has always been part of the garden's history. Functionality is just as important as aesthetics when designing a wooden arbor gate. A sturdy, reinforced structure is essential for durability, especially in high-traffic areas. If the gate serves as a main entryway, ensuring it has a strong latch or lock can provide additional security. A lightweight, open-frame design may be more suitable for decorative purposes or dividing different sections of the garden. To extend the lifespan of a wooden arbor gate, proper maintenance is key. Regular sealing, staining, or painting helps protect the wood from weathering, moisture, and pests. Applying a weatherproof sealant every few years preserves the gate's integrity, preventing warping, cracking, or fading over time. Pairing a wooden arbor gate with complementary landscape elements enhances its visual impact. Love these stunning arbor gate designs? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow garden lovers. A white arbor gate is a timeless and elegant feature that enhances the beauty of any outdoor space. Its crisp, clean appearance makes it a versatile choice, blending well with various garden styles while providing both structure and charm. Whether used as a welcoming entrance, a focal point in landscaping, or a passageway to a backyard retreat, a white arbor gate adds a sense of sophistication and refinement. One of the most common designs is the classic arched arbor gate. This style features a curved top that creates a graceful, flowing silhouette. Often paired with lattice or trellis sides, it offers an excellent framework for climbing plants like roses, jasmine, or ivy, which over time weave through the structure, adding natural beauty and shade. A straight-top arbor gate, on the other hand, provides a more structured and formal look. This design works well in both traditional and modern settings, offering a balanced and symmetrical aesthetic. The straight lines complement neatly trimmed hedges, pathways, and structured garden layouts, making it an excellent choice for organized outdoor spaces. Many white arbor gates feature latticework, which not only enhances visual appeal but also provides a functional purpose by supporting climbing plants. Lattice panels can be installed on the sides or top, creating a charming and airy feel. As vines and flowers grow through the openings, they soften the structure, blending it seamlessly into the surrounding garden. For those who value privacy while maintaining elegance, a solid panel white arbor gate is an excellent choice. This design offers a more enclosed feel, making it ideal for separating different areas of a yard. It can be paired with decorative details such as curved accents, carved trim, or small windows to balance security with aesthetics. A picket-style arbor gate is another popular option, often associated with classic garden charm. Which arbor gate style is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. A metal arbor gate is a stylish and durable addition to any outdoor space, combining strength with decorative elegance. Unlike wooden alternatives, metal gates offer long-lasting durability, resisting weather damage and requiring minimal maintenance. Their sleek and sturdy design makes them a great choice for both modern and traditional garden settings. One of the most popular designs is a wrought iron arbor gate. Known for its intricate scrollwork and vintage charm, this style adds a sophisticated touch to gardens, walkways, and entryways. The ornamental details can range from delicate floral patterns to bold geometric shapes, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the landscape. For a more contemporary look, a minimalist metal arbor gate with clean lines and a simple frame provides a sleek, modern feel. This style pairs well with structured gardens, trimmed hedges, and minimalist landscaping, offering a balanced mix of function and style. Want more garden and outdoor decor ideas? Subscribe now and never miss an update. Whether adorned with ivy, roses, or jasmine, these gates blend natural beauty with industrial strength, creating a harmonious entryway that evolves over time as plants grow. Another option is a black powder-coated metal arbor gate, which offers a classic yet bold contrast against greenery and colorful flowers. The dark finish enhances the gate's visual impact while providing added protection against rust and corrosion. A well-designed arbor gate adds elegance and character to any landscape, blending seamlessly with nature. Over time, it becomes a defining feature, complementing the beauty of the surrounding space.